What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be potentially putting on the Perrin Shroud that I got recently for my birthday in the engine bay. So stay tuned and we'll see how it goes. So apparently you put the rivet here, you have the black washer and then your screw, and then you put it here and you're going to tighten it down until this, I believe, gets tight. So while you're doing this, you have the tool and you're turning it, and then if you look underneath, you can see that it's kind of doing like collapsing as a mushroom. So in that way, when you take this tool back out, it'll stay in there for when you put the screws in. And then you'll put the other one in here. And then on this side, you'll do it here and here as well. And then it'll hide, ow, that hurt. And it'll hide wires, etc. on the side. You want to make sure it's pretty flush, so now you can't really move it around. You move in the middle, so you know it's pretty good now. And then you can start taking the screw back out, and the rivet should then be collapsed enough to then hold the bolts that you're going to be putting in without it rattling around. There we go, so I got the screw back out. You can see it's in there pretty good. So now, time to do the next one. Trying to give you guys a top view, even though I'm probably blocking it. I apologize. They give you just a long enough of an Allen wrench to make it a little bit harder. But Perrin's always good about giving you the necessary tools and hardware and instructions. So these are not fun to put in.
only took 1 hour to put these parts on, and he quoted me it would be a 15 to 20 minute job.
We're right on time.